We have invested in a powder coating robot from RobNor. We are very excited about it. We already had a welding robot, but that's quite conventional, and now this process, powder coating, to have a robot is very exciting.
We are a part of a big community, and that's what we really, that's our strength, to form a good project team and adapt to different customers and different projects. So we have been practicing robotics painting for more than 30 years.
The robot does what the program says it has to do. Every part has its own part number with a color on it, the order number and the date it has to be produced. And we can invert the article number in the system. We activate the robots and then we can start the program. I'm just managing and watching the robot do the work for us.
We needed to increase our production. We had difficulty finding good people who would do the manual job, but with the robot we have a constant quality. The people are still there to do the special products and the special colors, but the robot is really taking over a lot of the work. And it's not taking away their jobs, it's actually creating a better environment to work in, because we still need to operate the robot as well, and they could learn additional things and still keep their job.
The technology was very new for me. I've never been programmer before. My job is more interesting. It's more excited because we use the robots now instead of the manual coding, and therefore we have more diversity in the work we have.
We make a pre-study to define the critical parameters in terms of timing and as well as technical solution.
Actually, we have found out, since we have the powder coat robot, that we can control the quality of the layer thickness very good. So we think we can lower it down. We've done already some tests in the field with customers, so we can use less powder coating and still provide the quality that our customers need. So less powder coating, but also less time in the oven and less time in the process, which also is good for the production line to increase the rate again.
It's very inspiring working with robots in general, and the programming is in particular, I would say. So we introduce offline programming, VR programming, and that also means that you can start the programming months before we have the physical robot installed. We are used to deliver a physical robot station, a robot cell, but months before that we deliver a virtual robot station, which includes the robots, the transportation system, paint system, everything.
We make about 1,600 spreaders per year, so that's quite a high number, also to the powder coating, plus some additional products as well. So it's quite a volume, and the robot is doing a good job in taking a large chunk of that production volume. Simon, our programmer, has already programmed several families of our product, so I think 50% is already running over the robot, and we're still working on it to increase that rate.
Before we had a hard payload of work because we had to do everything by hand, and now the robot took over our job, and we are here now to let the robot produce for us.